Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Super Srinivas. Okay, in solutions topic, long answer questions. Here we completed very short answer type questions. Short answers not there in this chapter. Gunshot long answer questions. Any two questions added in these long answers. Tag questions, problems or tags, and concept questions also there. Here first question is vapor pressure of a water at 293 kelvins is 17.535 mm of Hg. Calculate the vapor pressure of the solution of 293 Kelvin at 25 grams of glucose is dissolved in 450 of water. P naught is equals to 17.535 mm. W is equals to 25 grams. Molarity is equals to 18 grams. Molarity is equals to 18 grams. Small m molality is equals to 180 grams and weight is equals to 450 grams. Weight is equals to 450 grams. Here PS is equals to question mark. By the Raoult's law, according to Raoult's law, P naught minus PS by P naught is equals to weight by W by M into M by W. That value is equals to here 17.535 by 535 minus PS by 17.535 is equals to 25 by 180 into 18 by 450. 18 ones are 18 tens are here. Without cancellation also, here this denominator is shifted to here and it is multiply. Here 17, this calculation is 10 and 25 5 5s are 5 5s are and 5 90s are 5 ones are 5 ones are 40 18s are this 10 8 ones are 8 tens are. Here's 7890.75 by 1800 is equals to total this 0.69742 is a part. Point after two or three values you should write, no problem. Next PS is equals to this 17.535 minus 0. This value 0.9742. 0.9742 means 0.9742 69742 is equals to 17.437. Enough. That PS is equals to 17.44 mm. Okay, this is the answer. Next, here calculate the mole fraction of ethylene glycol C2H6O2 in a solution contains 20% of C2H6O2 by mass. Assume that we have 100 grams of solution. One can start with any amount of solution because that results obtained will be same. Solutions will contain 20 grams of ethylene glycol and 80 grams of water. Next, molar mass of C2H6O2 is equals to 20 by 62. These 2 tens are 2 32s are 0.322 ml. Okay. Then moles of water is equals to 80 by 18 gram mole inverse, that is equals to by cancellation 18 ones are 18 4.44 18 fours are point take another, that value is equals to 4.44. Next, glycol is equals to mole of C2H6O2 by moles of C2H6O2 plus moles of H2. These moles of C2H6 0.322 by 0.22 plus 4.444 mole, that is equals to this added and cancelling we get the answer 0.068 value. Similarly, x water is equals to 4. This value is changed 4.44 by 0.32 plus this added and cancellation 0.932. Mole fraction of glycol can be calculated as 1 minus 0.932. Means glycol means without water. Removing water by 1, that is equals to 0.068 is the answer. Next question. Here, calculate the molarity of the solution concentrated 5 grams of NaOH in 450 grams of solution. Moles of NaOH is equals to 5 grams by 40 mole inverse, that is equals to by 5 ones 5 nines 9 means 0.25 moles. Next, volume of the solution in liters 450 millimeters by 1000 milliliters into liter inverse. Molarity is equals to moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. That value is equals to 0. This value into this 1000 by 450. Here it is given NaOH 450 value, that is equals to this 125 by 450. Cancellation 0.278 m. Then here 0.287 mole liter inverse and mole dm inverse. These are changing of its units. Okay, if you write here also, if you write up to here, you get the mark. Okay, next question. Next question, what is the molar mass related to the elevation in boiling point of the solution? Elevation in boiling point, that increasing in boiling point of a liquid when a non-volatile solute dissolved in it is called as elevation of boiling point. What is elevation of boiling point? Increasing in boiling point of a liquid when non-volatile solute is dissolved. Molar mass related to, here molar mass related to the elevation in boiling point of the solution. Let T not B is a boiling point of pure solvent. What is this value? Pure boiling point of a pure solvent. Next, Ts is equals to boiling point of a solution increases in the boiling point. Delta Tb is equals to Tb minus Tb minus T naught B is known as elevation of boiling point. Elevation of boiling point is directly proportional to the molality of the solution. Elevation in boiling point is equals to Kb mole inverse. This is a ebullioscopic constant. Okay, Kb is equals to mole al electro or ebullioscopic constant. Kb value is equals to 0.52 kg mole inverse. And molarity m. M is equals to weight by m into 1000 by v. Volume W2 in grams. W2 in which units? Grams. Okay, substituting the value of molarity value substituted in this equation, first equation, delta Tb is equals to K into W1 by M into 1000 by W2 in grams. That M is equals to M, separate this side, and Kb. K into W1 into 1000 by delta Tb into W2. This is the final answer. Next, what is the relative lowering of vapor pressure? It's Raoult's law question. This is the most important. These in these problems are tags to these questions. You definitely don't leave any point and anything. What is the relative lowering of a vapor pressure? How it is useful to determine the molar mass of the solute. Here, the ratio between lowering of a vapor pressure of a solutions to the vapor pressure of the pure solvent means the ratio of lowering of vapor pressure of the solution, vapor pressure of a pure solution, vapor pressure of the solution and vapor pressure of pure solution. This is called as relative lowering of vapor pressure. Okay, relation between the relative lowering of solute and solvent. Consider a solution containing A grams of non-volatile solute. Let its molar weight M. Let weight of the volatile solvent of mole weight and W be grams. Then this is a matter what we substituted here. Number of moles of solute is equals to NS. NS means moles of solute A by M. A means given solution containing non-volatile solute. This is non-volatile solute, and molar weight, and next number of weight of solvent, that is equals to not B. N not B, number of moles of solvent is equals to B. What is meant by B? Molar weight, volatile in volatile, molar weight by grams. Here relative lowering of vapor pressure, P naught minus Ps by P naught is equals to Ns by N naught plus Ns. According to Raoult's law, according to which law? Raoult's law, in dilute solution Ns is less than N naught, and P naught minus Ps by P naught is equals to Ns by N naught. Next, P naught minus Ps by P naught, Ns means A by M, and P naught Ns, N naught means B by M. Here A by M into W by B. Yes. Okay, V M this side and P this total value this side. M is equals to A into W B into P naught minus P by P naught minus Ps. M is equals to A into W by B, P naught by P naught minus Ps. P naught minus Ps is equals to vapor pressure of a pure solvent. This value P naught minus Ps means vapor pressure of pure solvent, and Ps, these terms are most important. Ps means vapor pressure of dilute solution, A means a weight of solute, and M means molar weight of solute, and B means weight of solute, W means molecular weight of solvent. You write this like, okay, these are the most important long answer type questions. Okay, if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you go and subscribe to our channel, our classes are notifies you, and latest classes for MSET and short tricks and tips are given in our channel. Please go and check it out. Thank you for watching this video.